Shalom shalom, nitwa Chloe, ngiye kubabwira ubutumwa ariko mumbabarire kubera ikinyarwanda biri kungora ntabwo namenye ukuntu bivuga mu kinyarwanda. Sorry gato. Okay, tugiye gutangira. Okay, tugiye gustatinga page 94. Okay, Daniel was in the lion's den all night, but the lion did not harm him. God sent an ugly to show their most. The king was very happy when he saw that Daniel was staying very. The king made and knew long that everyone had to honor Daniel's God, the God that had saved him from the lions. John was an Israelite who told people God's message. One day God told him the people was never are ever God tell them about me. Then will try away from the Israelites one. But John had the people nervous. He did not want to tell them about God. Okay, nasoje kubasomera gufunga agatabo kanje ngiye kubasengera sibyo. Okay, dufunga amaso. Okay, Mana Data urakoze gukora ibintu byose, urakoze kuduha ibintu byose n'amazi yo kunywa. Abantu barwaye babwire ko bazakira, ubwire abantu bose ko bazagira amafaranga, babarinde kandi uzabizere imwe barwaye bakize. Mana Data urakoze, amen. Subscribing, ushiraho a like and hit the notification, and you have to comment.